And there is United Airlines 787-9. I don't know where it has come from. It's just sheer randomly that I spotted it. Obviously, I'm gonna let you guys know once I'm off recording it. Perhaps it has came in from either Chicago or Newark. So yeah. And there it passes by my bird, WTANE. I caught it at the right time. I was just looking outside this glass window, you know, and I was like, whoa. So quickly just, excuse me, got my phone out and started recording it. There it is. And there was the Aeroflot 777-300, which is still there. I believe it's not going anywhere, at least not tonight. There it goes. The United 787-9. I'm pretty sure it has come in from Newark, but could be Chicago too. So okay, there it goes.